Sweet sour Hokkaido pumpkin soup is a flavorful creamy treat full of energy for cold days. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. There are endless possibilities to make pumpkin soup with different types of winter squashes. But I'm going to use Hokkaido pumpkin, and the cool stuff about this is we don't have to peel it because the skin is thin and edible. Let's get started by cutting off both ends of the pumpkin. Then cut it in half and take out the seeds and the membrane using a spoon. Cut each half into wedges and then in cubes. Like I said, no peeling is needed. The skin adds more color, taste and nutrition to your soup when you use Hokkaido. Peel and smash 2 cloves of garlic. Slice an onion and don't worry about the size. We will blend everything later. Time to cook the pumpkin. Add 5 tablespoons olive oil into a pot and throw in the pumpkin. And heat it up. It takes time before they get a little bit tender, so go ahead and roast a handful of pumpkin seed for garnishing later. They are full of magnesium, phosphorus and protein. Keep stirring the pumpkins occasionally, and when they get a little bit soft and fluffy at the surface, add the garlic and the onion and let them fry together until the onions get translucent. Meanwhile, you can season it with salt and pepper. This is what makes the soup fruity and sweet sour. Apple juice. You don't use stock or even water. Make sure to use 100% apple juice. You will need 500 ml apple juice for a medium Hokkaido. Put the lid on and let it cook for 30 minutes. I always buy a freshly juiced product from a farmhouse nearby. You get much better quality in the farmhouses in comparison with the grocery shops. Then add everything to a blender, or you can use a hand blender and let it blend to a creamy and smooth mixture. Add 1 tablespoon honey and blend a little bit more. Our soup is ready to serve now. Pour it in a bowl and garnish it with a spoon of sour cream, the pumpkin seed, and if you like, some pumpkin oil. Its dark color makes a beautiful contrast with the pumpkin color, and it gives an additional roasty flavor to your soup. The best pumpkin oil is from Austria, the region's Steiermark. You absolutely will enjoy this creamy and sweet soup in the chilly days of fall or winter, especially with a piece of crusty bread. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.